Welcome aboard the Galeon 680 Fly, where innovation meets indulgence. I'm Gregg Kopp, and today I'm going to take you inside the 68, one of the most unique yachts in her class. So what a commanding bridge you have up here, a ton of space, a really nice helm setup. You've got the man engines, you've got the joystick to make it easier for docking and maneuvering in tighter corners. You also have a bow and stern thruster. So everything you need is right here. You've got cameras in addition, of course, the seakeeper to be comfortable, and all while you're here driving, all of your family and friends can be around you. You've got all kinds of seating, sun pads, you've got a full entertaining area. So here we are, this is one of my favorite spots, great for entertaining. You've got the grill, a full bar, accompanied with a refrigerator here, an ice maker, a wet bar sink, and a lot of storage. So if you want to have a big meal on your Galeon, this is the place to do it. You can comfortably seat 12 people here, easy access just to get through. Once everybody's situated, you can close this up and you have nice little mood lights you can pop up. So really great spot to be. And of course you have an overhang that'll extend all the way back. So here at the bow, we have a really comfortable space, very versatile. You've got the table, you've got all kinds of lounging solutions, just a great place to be when you're at anchor because you'll catch a nice breeze up here. So I run the boat a lot. I do a lot of Bahamas trips with MarineMax and our getaways, and I'm almost always up on the Flybridge. I will say this is the nicest lower helm I've been on in quite some time. These chairs are incredibly comfortable. You could fall asleep while you're underway. They're electric, they'll go up, down, whatever you need. And you've got a nice pantograph door that gets you in and out, quick access to grab a spring line or even to communicate with somebody up there. So this is a really great spot, especially like if it's raining or something like that, or it's too hot, you just want to get out of the elements. So here we are in the aft galley, which I love. Nice and connected with the outside, quick access to the Flybridge. Although the Flybridge has its own beautiful bar area, we still have another nice one here, great for putting platters. I like the fact that you have a very large refrigerator and freezer. These will come in handy when you're taking those longer trips or entertaining, or perfect for platters. If you are doing some cooking, you've got a 4-burner induction stove here, and then you've got the microwave convection as well. And then there's all kinds of storage throughout. Just a really large size galley for this size boat. So here we are in the master, which by the way has its own private entrance, which is really nice. So primary master's here, aft, and then you've got 3 staterooms forward. Imagine waking up from this beautiful king bed, incredible views on both sides with the windows. Got a nice area here if anyone needs to do makeup or jewelry. A chair will pop out, you can put your laptop on if you had to check some emails or do a little bit of work. And a ton of storage as you pan over to this side. You've got storage everywhere, as well as a nice refrigeration area. So if you want to have some waters or a nightcap. So as you come into the bathroom, you're greeted with 2 nice his and her sinks. Everybody has their own space. I love how the toilet is configured in the right direction. You're not crowded, you have all kinds of room there. And then here inside the shower, so I'm 6'2" and still have plenty of room. So if somebody's 6'4", 6'5" maybe, and then you also have a wide area here to sit in case somebody, ladies want to shave their legs or you're just tired. You want to sit down and maybe cool off from a hot day. So as you make your way down to the forward 3 staterooms, you'll notice how wide the stairs are, and you're greeted by 2 handrails, making it very easy and safe to get down. So here we are in the VIP forward stateroom, which is a massive space. You walk in, you have a landing area, plenty of room to change, maneuver, store luggage, whatever, storage everywhere, and you have your own private bathroom as well, which is always nice. So our last 2 staterooms are the 3rd and 4th stateroom here. They're both set up in twin configurations. On the port side, they're twins that are completely separate. On the starboard side, they're separate twins that can also fold together. So here we are, one of my favorite places on the boat. This is the aft cockpit, and it is massive. You've got a nice area here, a little docking station, which I can easily see the platform here, and I can also see all the way up on the bow. So this makes it really easy when you're coming into a tight spot. And I also like how both sides have the boarding doors, so you can come in and out. You know, if the tide's super low, easy to come in. If it's super high, you can come here off the swim platform. The other cool thing is you can put comfortably 8 to 10 people around this table, all in the shade. And if you needed more shade or privacy, this will drop down as well electrically. So just another nice option for you. Just a great place to be, quiet, out of the wind when you're docked. If you have any questions or you want to know a little more detail about the boat, I'd love to talk with you. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Gregg Kopp, 786-390-5292.